Hello everyone, this is Renuka Verma. I am from Nagpur and recently I joined the Manoj Gupta sir 21 day challenge crash course. And friend, trust me, it's a life changing opportunity. Although I'm not so much technical person, but I'm always curious to learn about the new thing. When I saw the ChatGPT and AI tool in the package, I enrolled myself. And here I learned the how you should give the proper prompt to the chat GPT to get the proper answer, and uses of so many AI tools in your work. And the biggest appreciation I got during the class from my daughter. She stays in Netherlands, and I sent a newsletter to her and other subscriber, and I got the phone call, and she said, "Mama, I got your newsletter. It was written so professionally, and I would love to get your newsletter every week." So thank you so much, Manoj sir, for making me more proud and making me more confident. So being a mother, it was a great appreciation I got from my daughter just because of you.
Hello everyone, my name is C. Raj Gupta from Kanpur. I am presently working in finance, audit and taxation areas. Today I have started my journey in ChatGPT for best use of this new technology in the area of audit, finance and taxation. Also to tap new areas for use of this technology. My mentor, my coach in this ChatGPT journey is Mr. Manoj Gupta ji. He is a very cool and calm person. Today he has presented in orientation day or everything in a very seamlessly manner, effortlessly. His presentation was very excellent. I hope I look forward for bright days in my onward journey of learning ChatGPT. Thank you everyone. Thank you.
I'm Jagdishwari. Recently, I have joined Manoj Gupta's 21 day challenge on GPT. It was very interesting and he's creating some magic. Basically, I'm a non-IT background. I'm from non-IT background. I know only basic computer skills, okay, not that much like a language programming. I know. But now I'm learning ChatGPT and I'm creating newsletter. And through this one, I'm hearing some prompts. I'm making newsletter. Even I was surprised. Oh, I thought I cannot do this. But now I'm doing everything. So only because of Manoj sir. He's such a very nice person, kind. So whenever we are having doubts, he's very simple and kindly he's clearing the answers for us. So in an easy way, he's clearing the doubts. So I'm really very happy. Thank you so much, Manoj sir. I got some subscriber. My husband appreciated me very much. Now I'm very happy that I can also do this. So thank you once again, Manoj sir. Thank you for this opportunity.